Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train passed over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Sex and the workplace boss problem number 2. You become a distraction for others. How? Well, you mess up the team dynamics 3 ways. A, with a schmoopy mode, you are annoying beyond belief, both of you, to the point of being unbearable to colleagues and superiors alike. Usually it will be your co-workers to first notice the change in your demeanor for the worse, but eventually your boss will either pick up on it themselves directly or pick up on everybody else's reaction to you, eye-rolling, whispering, etc. B, so the second way in which you mess up team dynamics is the grapevine before and after your relationship is official. And this rumor mill is never conducive to a healthy team culture. And C, you are the focal point, but of the wrong kind. Not for some professional acumen, excellence, and achievements, but for your personal life, which any professional should check at the door. So it is not only that your personal life is interfering with your professional life, it is that your personal life is becoming more highlighted than your professional one. And anything that detracts from your professional performance detracts from your chances of landing that promotion and or pay raise you so want. Plus, you're once again screwing yourself in yet another way. Think about it. A manager at any level, even the most junior, certainly mid and top tier one, must be able to create and sustain positive relationships with everybody around him or her. If people would rather avoid you than bear your presence, who will ever make you boss? If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, BossProblemBuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.